In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix thumbnails not showing on Windows 11. If you're experiencing an issue where thumbnails are not appearing and instead you're seeing icons in your File Explorer, don't worry. Let's walk through the steps together to resolve this issue. First, we are going to start by opening File Explorer. You can do this quickly by either clicking on the File Explorer icon in your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and typing File Explorer in the search bar that pops up. Once you've got File Explorer open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top. You'll see a series of icons and options. Look for the three dots, which might be positioned towards the right side of the bar. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu and select Options from that list. Now that you have the Folder Options window open, let's focus on locating the View tab. Click on it, and you will see a list of several advanced settings. Here comes an important step. Browse through these settings until you find the one that reads, Always show icons, never thumbnails. What you'll want to do is ensure that this box is unchecked. Removing this check will allow Windows to display thumbnails instead of just generic icons. Once you've unchecked it, click Apply at the bottom of the window, and then OK to save the changes you've just made. Moving on to the second part of our solution, enabling visual effects. This involves using the Run dialog box to access and modify system properties. Press the Windows key in combination with the R key on your keyboard. This action will open the Run dialog box, a handy little tool for quickly opening applications or files. Type in CSDM-CPL and hit Enter. This command opens the System Properties window. From here, switch over to the Advanced tab. In the Performance section of this tab, you'll find a button labeled Settings. Click on it, and you'll see a new window with a list of visual effects options. In this Performance Options window, locate and ensure that the option titled Show Thumbnails instead of Icons is checked. It's crucial that this box is ticked if you want to see those thumbnail previews instead of plain icons across your files. Once you've checked this option, click Apply and follow it up with OK to confirm and exit. By completing these steps, your issue should be resolved, and you should now see your thumbnails displaying properly in Windows 11. It's a simple fix, but makes a world of difference in how you view your files. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.